What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Look, I don't like dropshipping. Okay, let me just tell you who I am right now. So I've got two Amazon businesses. Well, one company actually, two different marketplaces, selling the USA and the UK. We should do 1 million this year if everything goes to plan. We do hundreds of thousands in each. One online arbitrage, the other one is my own brand. So let me explain why I don't like dropshipping. I forgot what I was going to say. This is the reason I don't like dropshipping. So I used to do dropshipping. I used to do hundreds of thousands in dropshipping as well. So it's not that I haven't got any experience. And I used to do Amazon to eBay. So we used to buy loads of products from Amazon, prime delivery, get them sent directly to the customers on eBay. So it was dropshipping. That's what I used to do years and years and years ago, about 4.5, 5 years ago now. Here's why I don't like dropshipping. It's a very, very temperamental business. It especially was when I started as well. It's not stable enough for me. It's not stable. I had to use stealth accounts. I had to keep creating new accounts, etc. I actually got my eBay account suspended in the end. I remember once PayPal actually contacted me and said that we got suspicious activity or whatever because I couldn't fulfill the orders because there was an issue with PayPal, and all of a sudden it messed up everything, and I had to pay someone about 500 quid to go through tons and tons and tons of manual orders for me and actually help me fulfill these products to the customers because it was just getting absolute chaos. And that's the reality that you can expect to achieve with dropshipping if it goes wrong. Okay, it's too temperamental. Now I can't talk for the likes of like Shopify, dropshipping and stuff like that. I'm not talking about that, but the little thing that I do know about that is that you also get issues there. You know, you're going to get issues with, you know, Chinese manufacturers doing dropshipping, etc., from these dodgy websites. For me, it's like, if you're going to put the effort into dropshipping, why don't you put it into at least something that is actually a tangible business, you know, something that can be more stable. For example, my brand in the UK, you know, especially when I launch brands in the future that are, you know, manufactured products of our own, we could sell that one day. You know, you can actually get something tangible from it. Or right now, because it's my own branded products, people can't price tank us. Amazon are not going to shut down our account unless we do something wrong, and if they did, we could get it back. It's a lot more of a stable business model. Even online arbitrage, which is, I suppose you could say, similar to drop shipping, where you're buying, you know, I've got a team of virtual assistants in the USA that source products for us, and then we resell them on Amazon. We're actually touching the products physically from our prep center. We own them products. Therefore, it's much less risky. It's not just, you know, we're fulfilling it and then getting it sent straight to a customer. We actually own these products. So the risk is much less. We actually own them products. If something went wrong, we've still got that stock value. With its drop shipping, it's literally just going from one to the other. It doesn't, and no one really likes you doing it, you know. Not only do the platforms not like you doing it, like eBay had issues with it with us, PayPal had issues with it, Amazon you can actually do it, but there's specific terms and conditions that you can do it with. Customers don't like it as well. If you receive a package and it's in an Amazon packaging and you ordered it from eBay, people get a bit suspect of that, you know. So look, in general, my thoughts on drop shipping, I just don't see why people would bother with it in this day and age when it's so easy to start a brand, it's so easy to sell on Amazon, it's so easy to create an Instagram page and sell some stuff on there, it's so easy to do things like affiliate marketing and stuff. I just think the barrier to entry is easier. But having said that, let me be completely transparent here. I have never done drop shipping in a big way. Therefore, I'm sure that there is some ways, before anyone beats me up in the comments that does it, I'm sure there's some ways that work. And if you do drop shipping in a big way and it works really well for you and you believe it's really, really stable, please get in touch in the comments and I will have you on this YouTube channel and we will discuss it and you can explain to me how it works. Because this isn't me, you know, I'm not one of these people that people do videos about Amazon saying, I tried it for 6 months and this is what happened. And I always think to myself, yeah, it's because you don't know what you don't know. You know, and it might be the same case with me. I'm well aware of that with the drop shipping, but in my experience, it's not a stable business model. It's not a stable business model. The platforms don't want you to do it. I just think you're better off building a real company, something that you can actually buy the stock and you own the stock yourself. So let me know in the comments what you think of drop shipping. My name's Hayden. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, just a really quick note here just to say that Awesome is sponsoring this podcast. It's not even a podcast, it's a YouTube channel. They're sponsoring this YouTube channel and below there's 2 links. One of them gives you 2 months free accounting and I've been using them for ages and ages and ages. Awesome service, pardon the pun. Or the other link down there is just £12 and they will set up a limited company for you and a business bank account. So yeah, I've been using Awesome for a long time and I would recommend them. Anyway, let's get back to the video.